And India's leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has stepped up his attack on the country's poll body.
Right. Gandhi has once again trained his guns on the Election Commission of India, claiming to have uncovered a voter deletion scheme. He alleged that names of legitimate voters had been deleted.
Now, in a dramatic press conference, Rahul Gandhi held up the Indian constitution and warned youngsters that democracy itself was under attack. He said the information that he is giving is coming from sources inside India's poll body.
मैं साफ बोल देता हूं, इलेक्शन कमीशन के अंदर से पहले नहीं हो रहा था, अब इलेक्शन कमीशन के अंदर से इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है, ये रुकेगा नहीं.
The opposition leader claims millions of voters are being targeted for deletion across the country using software, fake logins and phone numbers. He claims that the names of voters in different states were filed for deletion without the knowledge of either the voters or the people whose credentials were used to submit them.
Now, Gandhi launched a direct attack on Chief Election Commissioner of India, accusing him of protecting those behind the operation. He said the Karnataka CID has sent 18 letters in 18 months asking for IP addresses and OTP trails, but received no answer.
The Election Commission has fact-checked the allegations, calling them incorrect and baseless. The body says no votes can be deleted online by the public and that all deletions require a formal hearing. It confirmed that in Ireland, unsuccessful attempts were made to delete voters in 2023 and then an FIR was also filed regarding the same.
The ruling BJP fired back at Gandhi. BJP leader Anurag Thakur accused Congress of weakening democracy. He also said that Rahul Gandhi wants to create a Bangladesh and Nepal-like situation in India.
भारत का इलेक्शन कमीशन काम कर रहा है तो बार-बार राहुल गांधी जी का प्रयास है कि लोकतंत्र पर प्रहार किया जाए, भारत के लोकतंत्र को कमजोर किया जाए, जनता को गुमराह किया जाए और जिस तरह से बांग्लादेश नेपाल में स्थिति बनती है वैसे झूठ बोल-बोल के वहां पे स्थिति पैदा कर दो देश में.
With the assembly elections in Bihar just around the corner, Rahul Gandhi's vote theft campaign is shaping the political narrative, pitting allegations of voter fraud against the Election Commission's push to clean up the voter list.
आप अपना काम कीजिए, आपने ऊँट दिया है.